So you can mark this one with the GPS. This is the first culvert after the bridge on the way down. This one worked 100%, didn't clog, took all the water. And one of the most important things to see from the devastation is what the ditch looks like before the culvert. See how it's washed out and deep?
Yeah.
And then after, you can see it didn't even dig up the vegetation. And that's what these pipes do. They drain the water before they continue to cut the ditch deeper.
Okay.
Here's the next culvert right here.
And this one's fine too, right?
Works fine.
Okay.
The third one is right here. Right by the statue, there's a little hole that drains water. The fourth one is here.
Okay.
Fifth one is here. Another example of one working perfectly. So all the water was able to go into that pipe, and then after, the ditch looks fine.